Hello, my name is Kevin Clay, and I'm one of the Lean Six Sigma instructors here at Six Sigma Development Solutions. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction into what's called the Graphical Summary using Minitab's version 20. The Graphical Summary is a tool that kind of give you a high-level understanding of some of the different descriptive metrics or descriptive statistics of a set of data. So in order to get to the graphical summary, we are going to go to Stat, Basic Stats, and Graphical Summary, which will open up this, this dialog box. Let me kind of back up and explain the data to you and the scenario that we're going through in looking at this data. So the data that you're looking at comes from a fake project that we at Six Sigma Development Solutions has developed. It's a project about a fake company called Peanut Butter and Jelly Inc. All right, or PBJ Inc. This is a company that has made or does make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for schools all over the domestic U.S. They make thousands, really hundreds of thousands of sandwiches per day at different sites throughout the U.S. And their cost per sandwich is actually risen. It doesn't equal what their target cost is. Right? So their margin is shrinking. And the scenario here is we are a team of green belts that has been assigned this project to find out why the costs are rising and to start to lower those costs, find out what's really causing the problem. So we've got a set of data here, and we're particularly going to look at PB top. And what I mean by PB top is the amount of peanut butter added to the top piece of bread. All right, so you'll see here there's PB bottom, JY top, and JY bottom, which is peanut butter added to the bottom slice and jelly added to the top and to the bottom. But again, we are particularly focusing on peanut butter that is added to the top. In our analysis, we found that there might be something going on there. So before we do that, we kind of want to understand at a high level what's going on as far as metrics. You know, what's the mean? What's the median? What are the quartiles? You know, is it a normal distribution? So this graphical summary just gives us these metrics, you know, from a very high level. So I'm going to double click on PB top. All right. Another way you could add data to variables is, again, you have to make sure that your cursor is in variables. You can then select it and then come down here and select. All right. Now, if my PB top, if I had maybe two sites that produce PB top and I had a column over here, sorry, I had a column over here, and that column was site. And then, you know, for every row of data, PB top, I would have either site 1 or site 2. Well, then I could put that row in this by variables, all right? And I could actually see two graphical summaries, one of PB top at site 1, one at PB top at site 2. So that's just kind of a way to go into something called multivariate. Something else that you see here is this term confidence level. All right, I'm not going to go into what the confidence level is in this YouTube video, but I will in later videos. The confidence level basically correlates to how we are going to determine whether this is a normal distribution or not, because it's going to come out and give us a p-value. And that p-value is going to help us to understand, is it normal or is it not normal? All right. That confidence level is directly related to that p-value. With the confidence level of 95%, all right, that's going to equate to how we interpret that p-value. So let's go ahead and hit OK. All right, that's going to give us a graph. Let's go ahead and click on the graph. All right, so this gives us some great information about a high-level view of our distribution of data. Okay, it tells us the mean, what is the average or mean of the data, what is the standard deviation, what is the variance, skewness, kurtosis, how much data was in our data set, what are our quartiles, what is our minimum number or maximum number. It gives us the confidence interval for the mean, the median, the standard deviation, and it gives us some good pictures to help us kind of understand from a graphical viewpoint. This is a great high-level understanding of that distribution of data. All right, you'll see here the p-value is 0.822. A p-value of 0.05 or greater says that we have a normal distribution. A p-value under 0.05 tells us that we do not have a normal distribution. So you can interpret what that is from this. Okay, well, that is our brief introduction into the graphical analysis in Minitab version 20. Again, my name is Kevin Clay, and I'm one of the Lean Six Sigma instructors here at Six Sigma Development Solutions Incorporated. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at K-Clay, that's K-C-L-A-Y, at sixsigmadsi.com. Have a wonderful day.